Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have been keeping safe and staying home. Today we'll be making a summer fruit tart, so let's begin. So I have a ready-made sweet pastry case. I have my fruits here, so I have some sliced tin peaches, a couple of strawberries and a couple of kiwis. I also have some ready-made custard which we're going to use. So I'm using some double cream, which I have already whipped, as you can see. So I'm just going to now pour the custard. Then I'm going to add the cream. Then I'm going to just spread it out evenly. And now I'm going to add the fruit. And then last of all, the kiwi. So here we are, our completed fruit tart. Give it a try. And thanks guys for watching.